If you're here because you have OneStream and you probably have Power BI and you're wondering, well, how do I, get my OneStream data into Power BI? How can I be successful? And so each team is solving the same problems independently, but they could come to a meeting with different definitions of gross profit or revenue, where I talked about having that awareness of your account science and so forth, and how that's an important component to be able to report on your data accurately across your account hierarchy. So here I have my corp accounts, and if I expand this, I'll expand down into, my GAAP account structure, my income statement, and my balance sheet. And in order to make this aggregation work appropriately at the hierarchy, I have to have that financial awareness of the account type. Remember, OneStream stores the data all as positive numbers. So you as a Power BI report developer or data model developer have to have that financial awareness of which ones are natively a credit balance or a debit balance, so that you can appropriately create your trial balances or income statements. And give you that flexibility to create your reporting any way you like. May seem trivial, but it's very important for this enterprise grade model that you have all of that baked into your solution, which is what the QuickLaunch Analytics solution has.